Hello everyone, I wanted to make a little tutorial about this phone case. I bought this phone case for my phone. I wanted to do it so you guys can see how do I do this. So first of all, I did a couple of trials before getting the right size, the right measurements. I printed a couple of times, as you can see. And usually what I do first is I measure the case and I do my design based on that size. So I do a little bit bigger than normal so I have enough room to make sure I get the whole sublimation part inside the frame. So this one is 3 inches by I believe 6.5. I did 6.5, yes. This is the design I went with. This is what I want for my phone. So this is the part I'm supposed to sublimate on. I will remove the plastic protector. It's already a little bit built here. Let me make sure it's in a good position there. It has a protector so it doesn't get a scratch or anything. Now I'm gonna put the plate on my design where I want it to go. Exact place I want it to go. Making sure I'm covering the whole design. It's a little tricky over there, I believe. There. Now I'm gonna get a little bit of heat tape and I'm gonna make sure it's sealed. To put it in the right place and it doesn't move when I'm putting it on the iron. I want to make sure it's completely sealed so I don't get any ghosting or anything like that. This is not excess of tape, believe me. You need to tape. Otherwise, you might get damaged when you're doing it. So my next step is I already have like a protector on my machine. Let me see if I can put it. Hold on.
So this is my machine. I put the temperature to 365 for 40 seconds with 80 kg of pressure. I put some protectant on my iron mat so it doesn't get ink on it. Now the next step will be I will take my design, put it on the iron machine this way with the piece of paper facing up. Now I'm gonna put some butcher paper on top so it helps out there. It's supposed to go in there. And now I'm gonna put it so it's supposedly down. I'm supposed to record this way. Yeah, I kind of suck doing this, but it's really hot, so you have to be careful. And no, it's not hot, the paper, so I'm just gonna grab the paper, turn it around, and wait for the plate to get a little bit colder because it's really hot. So remove it and see how it looks like. So this is the moment of truth. We just finished doing this. Let me remove it from the paper. Let's see how it looks like. This is the tape. Let's remove the tape. to fit it on. I have to put it in here. So I'm gonna remove the sticky part. Not sure how to do that. Let's see, hold on. I'm removing the sticky part. I'm just gonna do this part first to make sure I'm positioning it in the right place. Like this. And then, okay. Now I'm gonna pull this thing off because it's kind of in position there. I want to put pressure. And it's ready. And it looks like this. It's perfect. Thank you guys for watching my video. I apologize because in the background you can hear my daughter screaming. At the beginning of the video you can see that I use Canva to do my design, and I also forgot to mention that I print my design using mirroring, so it has to be mirror. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and give me a like if you like my video. Thank you.